The Hawthorne effect by Haley Brigette. Hypothesis. The hypothesis of this experiment was that if the inclination of people who are the subjects of an experimental study to change or improve the behavior of being evaluated only because it is being studied and not because of changes in the experiment parameters or stimulus. Method of research. Independent variable. The person's response or behavior to their awareness of being observed. Dependent variables in this experiment would be the environment they are being tested in and the same observer. Data collected. The data collected from this research was: this method enhances accessibility to subjects because they can be conducted in person, over the phone, through the mail, or online, and are commonly used by researchers to gather information on many variables in a relatively short time period. The Hawthorne effect is when subjects of an experimental study attempt to change or improve their behavior simply because it is being evaluated or studied. Analysis or results. When analyzing the results, the researchers concluded that the Hawthorne effect negatively impacted the data, as there were no evidence that they were measurably effective. The Hawthorne effect is when subjects of an experimental study attempt to change or improve their behavior simply because it is being evaluated or studied. Conclusion. The authors of the study concluded that the significant improvement noted in the clinical trial disappeared upon entry to a non-sponsored follow-up study. Such changes are apparently due to the Hawthorne effect. It indeed seemed that the values of a patient-reported arthritis would come out in clinical trials that are upwardly biased. Treatment effect is actually less than observed and subsequently dismented. These are my citations.